Welcome to Eastside Secondary's APA citation tutorial. This video will explain when and how to use APA documentation while researching. APA stands for the American Psychological Association, and this format is mainly used in social sciences and science subject areas. It is essential to any research paper to avoid plagiarism. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is when you write down or copy someone else's information without crediting the owner of this thought. It's a form of stealing and it is illegal, as it's academic fraud. By using APA format correctly, you will avoid plagiarism. When citing an APA, there are two types of quotations: direct quotations and indirect quotations. A direct quotation is when you use exact wording from a text. In this instance, you must put a quotation mark around the entire quote and add in-text citation at the end of the quotation. Indirect quotations, or paraphrasing, is when you change the author's words to your own but use the author's ideas or information. When paraphrasing, you must add an in-text citation at the end of the sentence or paragraph, dependent upon your teacher's direction. To complete a proper APA paper, you must include both in-text citations as well as a reference page. In-text citations go directly after the quote or paraphrase within the body of your work. An in-text citation must include the author's last name, followed by a comma, followed by a page number if it's a print resource. If the author's name does not exist, use the title of the article, book, or website to show where the information came from. The reference list comes at the end of your written work. The reference list consists only of sources that you've used within your written product. The reference list must be on a separate page and include the following information for each source: the author, year of publication, title, publishing information, including date published and place of publication. Here is an example of a properly structured reference page. Note the title, double spacing between entries, and the hanging indent in the second, third lines of each entry, and the use of 12-point font for both the title and source entries. Finally, the list must be organized in alphabetical order according to the author's last name.